What if I told you that the world we live in today was shaped by colonialism? It's true. Colonialism has left profound impacts on cultures, economies, and societies. Colonialism is the control of one nation over another. It establishes political, economic, and cultural dominance. This control often relies on military power and administrative governance. The nation in charge is called the colonial power. The territory it controls is the colony. Indigenous populations suffer as their resources are exploited and their cultures often destroyed. What are the key features of colonialism? First, there's political control. This includes laws enforced by governors and military might. Next is economic extraction. Colonizers remove resources like minerals and crops. They often exploit cheap labor, or worse, use forced labor. Then, we have cultural imposition, where local traditions are rejected. Colonizers replace them with their languages and customs. Settlement also occurs as colonizers move in to live permanently. A prime example is Britain's control over India from 1858 to 1947. British governors took charge, exploiting India's cotton and tea. They suppressed local industries and imposed English education. Why did colonialism happen? It wasn't due to one reason. Instead, several factors converged over centuries. First, economic reasons drove this trend. European industrialization fueled a need for raw materials, unavailable at home. They sought rubber, oil, cotton, and gold. As nations produced more goods than locals could buy, colonies became essential markets. Profits from ventures increased potential investments for banks and trading companies. Strategic trade routes also played a significant role, allowing powers to control global shipping. Next, political and military causes emerged. During European rivalries, colonies symbolized national power. They demonstrated military might and affected geopolitical status. Colonies provided coaling stations and military bases for navies. Additionally, demographic pressures pushed for colonization in places like North America and Australia. Settler colonialism offered relief for population or land shortages back home. Lastly, ideological and cultural causes surfaced. Europeans believed it was their moral duty to civilize others. This belief justified imposing Western cultures and religions. Pseudo-scientific theories framed races in a hierarchy, with Europeans at the top. Religious zeal also drove many to convert non-Christians, often dismantling indigenous beliefs along the way. To summarize, colonialism encompasses political, economic, and cultural control exerted by one power over another territory and its people. The primary drivers include economic needs, national prestige, and ideological beliefs. Understanding colonialism reveals its extractive and often violent essence. Its legacies shape our world today, from economic inequality to ongoing ethnic conflicts. Want to learn more about how colonialism affects modern issues? Subscribe to our channel for in-depth analyses and discussions.